Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In order to find Java path, what you need to do, you need to install JDK. So JDK will be installed in your program files. If it is 64-bit, obviously, then you will need to go to Java, JDK, bin, and you need to copy this link. Then open the environment variable in your computer. These, how you can open, just press Windows sign and write environment through control panel, and this will open. Environment variable, you need to set path. Go to path, click a new line and just paste it. The link that you have copied, C program file Java JDK, whatever the version is, slash bin till bin. Okay, once this is done, you just need to press OK, and then you need to create Java underscore home, and you need to copy this. In order to verify that your installation is done correctly, you need to open command prompt, write cmd on your run, and write Java first thing, and next thing is Java C. Java C is for compiler. So if these both are running, that means your JDK is linked properly. Thank you.